Next is time series analysis. Time series analysis is a specific way of analyzing a sequence of data points collected over an interval of time. In time series analysis, analysts record data points at consistent intervals over a set period of time, rather than just recording the data points intermittently or randomly. However, this type of analysis is not merely the act of collecting data over time. What sets time series data apart from other data is that analysis can show how variable changes over time. So in other words, time is crucial variable because it shows how the data adjusts over the course of the data points as well as the final results. It provides an additional source of information and sets order for dependencies between the data. Several benefits of time series analysis. Time series analysis helps organization understand the underlying cause of trends or systematic patterns over time. When organizations analyze data over consistent interval, they can also use time series forecasting to predict the likelihood of future events like seasonality or cyclic behavior, which provides a better understanding of data variables and hence helps forecast better. Time series analysis is used for rather non-stationary data, things that are constantly fluctuating over time or are affected by time. Industries like finance, retail, and economics frequently use time series analysis because currency and sales are keep always changing. Stock market analysis is an excellent example of time series in action, especially when automated trading algorithms. So here are the certain examples of time series analysis: weather, rainfall, temperature, quarterly sales, stock price, industry forecast, interest rates, which you can see keeps on changing, and hence the time series analysis is always in the action. Model of time series analysis include classifications. So identifies and assign categories to the data. Curve fitting plots the data along a curve to study the relationships of variable within the data. Then comes the descriptive analysis, identifies pattern in time series data like trends, cycles, or seasonal variations. Then is explanative analysis, attempts to understand the data and the relationships within, as well as its causes and effect. Exploratory analysis basically highlights the main characteristics of the time series data, usually in a visual format. Forecasting here predicts future data. This type is based on historical trends. It uses the historical data as a model for future data, predicting scenarios that could happen along future plot points. Then is intervention analysis, studies how an event can change the data. Next comes segmentation. Here splits the data into segments to show the underlying properties of the source information.